Who is working with you. In badminton, you have to cover the space. In football, you have to cover the areas. There you have to pass on the balls, and you have to know that what is called team building. And this is what you get benefit in the society. You will get benefit in your workplace. You will get benefit in your relationship also. The team building. Team building is not only in the sports, it's also in the dance also. You can get it in singing it together, because just now we have started the function with a song. All have to be in that rhythm. So I have to say only one thing, that really thankful to everybody for having such a wonderful morning you are giving to me, giving to the side office, and respect to sir, has come here on our request, and to the school principal and the other authorities. And further, I have to say one thing only, wish you all the best, because you are really far ahead of what I was thinking. It's really so many achievements from your side. And thanks a lot for giving me the opportunity to come here. Thanks.
You're already on a road that is already going downhill, because then all the other activities that are not welcome come into your life. Especially now with the scenario in our state where our youths are being drifted away from the ambitions, from their future, I would say, involved in all things that kids or youths should be involved. So I urge each and every one of you, even if you have not played sport before, or if you like dancing, to please put some time, put some effort, maybe an hour a day, spend some time running, jogging, basketball, football, dancing, or for example you want to do your mixed martial arts sports. It's just a way for you to get fit, and the byproducts of getting fit are tremendous. You will have self-confidence, you will have great motivation, you feel good about yourself. I think as individuals, we feel very insecure about who we are. But I tell you, sports, getting fit, you will have a lot of self-confidence, which is really, really important, especially in students.
Department of Sports, Meghalaya. What do I have to say about being fit? To be fit, you need to have physical activity in your life. As students, as kids, you do a lot of physical activity unknowingly. You walking is also a physical activity. You walk to school, you walk away from school, you walk here and there. These are all part of physical activities. So I can say that you cannot be fit if you do not have any physical activity in your life. And the best form of physical activity is sports. And for example, what Mr. Bhagavati said, dance. Now, in this present generation, there are a lot of people who go dancing classes, not for the sake that they want to learn how to dance, but for the fact that they enjoy the dance classes, and the ultimatum is they get fit. You're young, you do not understand what it is to be fit. Genetically, you're young, you are fit. But the older you get, you will realize that you need to be fit. In due course, I think, I also do not understand what being fit is all about. I'm fit because I play football, and football was my profession. But after I stopped playing, after I got into this field in my life where it's all about work, I try to find time, at least 2 hours in a day, to maintain myself. Sports at the highest level is very competitive. To the minute details of what you do every day will show, the results will show. It can either hamper your performance or it can either uplift your performance. So it has come to a stage where what you eat is very, very important. Like now we have people, I'm sure you're all into social media, you'd see how people like to maintain themselves, how people are very genuinely happy of how their body looks. 1 month and a half, I've been very, very busy, and I realized that there's something inside of me that is empty. Maybe because I've been fit. Right now, presently, I don't feel happy with myself. That is coming from a sports person point of view. In this generation, I'm not only talking about India, I'm talking about the world.